if you got to deliver some feedback to your spouse and you're worried that they're going to take it the wrong way and you work in the business together, well, that could put you in a very precarious position. You want things to improve or you want things to change in some way, but you're kind of biting your tongue because you're saying, well, I don't want the argument. You got to go home with this person. I think that's the crux of it, right? It's like you can deliver constructive feedback to a team member. You don't got to go home with them, right? That would be tremendously inappropriate. We talk a lot about Kolbe and Print and understanding like how each individual works together and using EQ and emotional intelligence. Again, I am not great at this. Okay, so I will preface by saying that this is not an area where I am exceptionally strong, but it is an area where I'm trying to become better and improve, and it is a growth opportunity for me. And what I mean by this is that, I've often been told it's not what you say, it is how you say it, right? It is your tone. My point here is that if you know this person and you know that if you come on like gangbusters, they're going to shut down completely. If they hear the feedback, they're not going to listen to it. They're going to shut it all out. Maybe that's not the right approach. Maybe the best approach is, because you still got to deliver the feedback, is to take the emotion out of it, be in an environment where the time to deliver feedback is not when things are super high stress and you're freaking out and you're picking up the kids and the kids are screaming, saying, hey, let me tell you about something that I wish we would have done differently in the meeting. Are you kidding me? No, the time to do it is to set aside time, like during business hours, and address the concerns, but address them in the way where it's very objective, where it's data-driven, where you can align. If you're working with your spouse, it's your venture together. So it's, making sure that you two are aligned on the actual growth of the law firm. And here's why, right? I'm not like delivering this feedback because I'm trying to hurt your feelings. I'm delivering this feedback because maybe, it's not always got to be, some criticism. Sometimes it's seeking out understanding of like, help me understand why you approached it in this way, right? There might be some side of whatever the scenario is that you don't understand, or there might be a blind spot.